What up, everybody? Welcome back for another video. It is Friday, TGIF.
Friday, looking for the hippest way to start your holiday weekend?
Yeah!
TGIF is right on target.
Okay, mister. Drop my son's underwear.
With Family Matters, Boy Meets World, Step by Step, and Hanging with Mr. Cooper. Plus, it's a countdown to Santa's arrival.
Why, do find it strangely exhilarating.
On TGIF.
And we got the new video for today uploaded, and all of that stuff is done. So on to another weekend, on to another video. Right now we're heading all the way out past my shop, driving all the way down Johnson Street, and we're going to take some sample photos. Tomorrow, Parker and I are going to be going to Drift Day 99. Unfortunately, we won't be driving, but we will be doing media. So it's always cool to kind of see some of the builds and different things that people bring by at the general Drift Days. So we're going to check that out. I got this cool little lens from Pocket Dispo, I believe it is. It's like 28 millimeters, and what it does is it gives you the effect of a film camera. So you would think it's a film camera when you see the photos, even though it's not, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to take some sample photos with that, and then that's on the A7 III, and then on the A7 R5 I have it all rigged up. I don't have my monitor on here, but I got my follow focus, my new mic, all that jazz on here. So I'm also going to just take some sample videos with the blue car of what all that stuff looks like. So if the photos look cool, I'll snap those in right here.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
Yeah, what's up?
And if the video looks cool, I'll play those right here.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
And if all that sucks, you just saw some awkward pauses for no reason at all. But let's get started with today. Made it to the shop. As long as those pictures and videos turned out the way I thought they did, you just got done watching those, and hopefully you think they're as sick as I do. The idea of having film on a DSLR is pretty cool. But one of the things that we've been talking about finishing up for a long time now are these wheels right here. So these are my Meisters. They got damaged years ago, actually with Parker. He was with me when we smashed them at a Grid Life event on this car. So they are finally getting put back together. Obviously these were all powder coated. The last you guys saw, I was stripping them and working my way through all that. I put one of them together. Well, I put three of them together. Today I put one of them together. So this one still had the tires on it. I just let all the air out. Initially pulled the face out and did it. So these things look gorgeous. These rears are 18 by 11. 18 by 11 minus 10, I believe is what it was, and specifically right now I actually had 285s on here. 285, 35, 18. So typically I'll probably run 265s. It's hard to test fit these on the white car right now because I'll actually put 265s on the back, 225s on the front. It's just deciding if that's the look that I want or not. So I do like the idea of 17, 18s on here. I think it looks great, but it's all figuring out what makes the most sense, I guess. So I do also like 3-piece wheels on my cars. So I'm going to build this last one and get that together. And Parker and I have been working on his alignment. More Parker, I've just been helping him measure. And so let's do that and get his car dialed in as well. He was about a 1/2 inch maybe towed in, roughly speaking. So we're getting close. Small things for both of us that make a big difference.
I think I went the wrong way. Let's see.
Oh, just go the wrong way. You going in the bottom?
Yep.
You good?
Right there.
Okay. So 72 in the front. So you're 72 in the front and you're 72 and 3/8 in the back, which I think is what
So that's, yeah, that's what we want, right? Less in the rear and more in the front to bring it out.
72 and 3/8. You're only 72 in the front. Well, you're 72 and 1/8 in the front. So you still got a little bit to go. I would do for sure like 1 full turn of toe out on each side. Closer though.
Yeah.
All right, we're back to this. Parker's jacking his car back up to get the alignment set, and I'm gonna kind of show you how these wheels go together a little bit. So what I do for my wheels is I always make sure the valve stem is in the center of one of the spokes. That's how my Meisters came. And then this little logo you probably can't see very well if it wants to focus or not, but whatever. There's a little logo there. I'm making my camera mad. There's a little logo, a little dimple right here that I always put one to the left as well. So logo, valve stem, logo. In this case, valve stem is center, logo's there. So, Meisters, every wheel's different. Some wheels sit on top. Meisters come up from the bottom. So you can see I got my logo there. My valve stem will be over here somewhere. I gotta spin it. Valve stem's right here, so I gotta spin the wheel yet. But I'll get that lined up. I'll hold this up. I'll put 4 bolts and nuts through. And once I do that, I put them all in and I go around and torque them all. So I just polished this up so it's a little bit shinier. The rears, I am reusing the lips that I've always had. The fronts, due to the damage, these are brand new, so you can see how much shinier they are. Maybe I'll take a little bit more time to wet sand and get those out one day, but not today. So I'll finish this last wheel. Hopefully we can get Parker's car dialed in. And after that, I gotta fly because I sold some parts and I gotta get those out to UPS.
What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say?
Moment of truth.
Yeah.
You're so close. It's 3/8 towed out. You need to go another.
Probably another half turn.
Yeah, did you just do a half turn?
Yeah.
One more half turn, I bet. Or whatever is between half and 3/4. Because you could be 1/8 or inside of 1/8 would be fine. So yeah, I would do a half turn and then like a squeak. And you can snug it all down, I bet.
All right.
We close, bro. We close. Last try. All right, and I finished the last wheel. Thank the Lord. See if I can. Don't mind the camera shots. All right. Here we go. Last wheel together, nice and pretty and proper. Same for those. All done with that. Let's get some beauty shots of these. Finish Parker's alignment. That's a good Friday. This is the one.
I hope so.
You got it tight?
Our lift is getting tired.
You got your plate snug?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll give her a tuggy tug. All right. You're within an eighth, so I would say it's drifting time.
Call her good.
Oh yeah, for sure. This is perfect. I wouldn't say this is like calling it good. This is like proper.
Sick.
There you go. Just like anybody that's ever done alignment at their shop or at their house, it's like 97 times and then you get it and you never want to touch it again. So just like my cars, but it's good. I don't know when. When are we gonna do donuts?
Right now.
Okay.
You got time for that?
Yeah. For donuts, I always got time.
Yeah. Meisel.
Meisel. All right, Parker's finally got a proper alignment, just under an eighth toe out, which is great for this car because it's a street car as well as going to be his drift car. Did you see that Caterpillar?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Did I run over another
no,
one?
you didn't run over a Caterpillar. So now we're going to do some donuts and see what he thinks.
First gear, probably.
Yeah. Dude, how much more predictable is that?
So much better.
Isn't that better?
It's insane.
Yeah, it's alignments are like the most important thing. Even when it started to go a little bit too much, you're able just to give it a little bit more and just float right into it. Dude, that was perfect.
That was so good.
That was perfect. All right, I think that's gonna wrap our Friday. Obviously, we'll pick it up tomorrow once we get to DD99 to do media. So we got a lot of stuff done today. Just shipped out my stuff. Got an alignment on Parker's car. Got my wheels built finally so I can figure out tires for that. So nothing crazy, but enough to knock off the list. Progress is progress. So yeah, probably be a chill night, relax for the rest of the evening, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow. If something crazy happens tonight, I'll make sure I vlog that. Other than that, on to Saturday. editing this video. So the current way I have these set up is I film Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I take the content from those 3 days and I make one video. Friday, we did a lot of stuff, and that video alone is 15 minutes, and I'm realizing that 15 minutes is probably kind of pushing how long of a video everybody would like to watch. I think 10 minutes is kind of like the number. Since this is all Friday, I'm going to rock the 15-minute video. I'm going to take our video from Saturday and Sunday, and I'll make that into another video. So this one is dropping. You are watching this on Tuesday. Tuesday, 4 p.m., this video dropped. Friday at 4 p.m., the other video will drop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read off the comments. We got one so far this week here. So, Chaboy Bryden commented, just checking in to improve stats. Much love. Thank you, Bryden. I appreciate that. And then we do have a new subscriber as well, Kiko. Kiko is a new subscriber to the channel. So, you just watched this video. Hopefully you loved it. We got to tear around in Parker's car a little bit. What I am super hyped for is the Saturday, Sunday video is going to be a couple clips from DD99, depending on how I shake those up. Sunday, I finally got to street my car. And then I also got to take Mason for a run in it, who helped as well put the car together. So Saturday, Sunday is going to be a great video as well. You will see that one in a couple days. Thank you so much for following along. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps boost the channel of what we're doing. Other than that, we'll catch you guys on Friday. See ya.